This is a case study of a custom Mitsubishi HVAC installation in Boise, Idaho 83702 by Peppy Heating and Cooling. A Boise property owner with 3 separate Airbnb rentals sought a reliable and efficient heating and cooling solution after facing several issues with their current systems. An optimal solution was found with Mitsubishi ductless systems, where 4 outdoor units and 6 indoor heads were installed, along with kumo cloud and an app for remote temperature control. The challenge: replacing the ineffective noisy window AC units and costly inefficient electric baseboard heaters. Also, a problematic non-Mitsubishi Ductless Mini Split in the main house needed to be replaced with a more reliable option. The solution? Peppy Heating and Cooling designed and installed a 4 outdoor ductless hyperheat Mitsubishi system, capable of heating down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit, replacing the old electric heaters and window AC units. This upgrade provided the customer with a state-of-the-art Mitsubishi Hyperheat ductless heat pump, ensuring year-round comfort with a 12-year parts and labor warranty. The benefits? Lower cost of energy every month, and a much more comfortable living area for the guests staying at the Airbnb. Summary of a successful Boise HVAC system installation? This customer was looking to get a great comfort solution that she wouldn't have to worry about, and also provide great comfort to her guests. With the 4 ductless Mitsubishi Hyperheat pump system, Peppy was able to check off all the boxes on her wish list. For the full details of this case study, including a downloadable version, please go to callpeppy.com/CS4.